Get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. These 8 appeals raise common questions touching upon the interpretation of Section 47A1 of the Indian Stamp Act, 1899 bracket open, the Act, for short bracket close, and the Tamil Nadu Stamp bracket open, prevention of undervaluation of instruments bracket close, rules, 1968 bracket open, the rules, for short bracket close, as amended from time to time. Stop. Said Section 47A of the Act now stands. Param. Section 47A, instrument of conveyance, etc., undervalued, how to be dealt with. 1 within bracket. If the registering officer appointed under the Indian Registration Act, 1908, bracket open, Central Act 16 of 1908, bracket close, while registering any instrument of conveyance, bracket open, exchange, gift, release of Binami right or settlement, bracket close, has reason to believe that the market value of the property of which is the subject matter of conveyance, exchange, gift, release of Binami right or settlement, has not been truly set forth in the instrument, he may, after registering such instrument, refer the same to the collector, for determination of the market value of such property and the proper duty payable thereon. Para. On receipt of reference under subsection 1 within bracket, the collector shall, after giving the parties reasonable opportunity of being heard and after holding an inquiry in such manner as may be prescribed by rules made under this act, determine the market value of the property which is the subject matter of conveyance, exchange, gift, release of Binami right or settlement, and the duty as aforesaid. Stop. The difference, if any, in the amount of duty, shall be payable by the person liable to pay the duty. Stop. Para. The collector may, sue motu, or otherwise, within 5 years from the date of registration of any instrument of conveyance, exchange, gift, release of Binami right or settlement, not already referred to him under subsection 1 within bracket, call for and examine the instrument for the purpose of satisfying himself as to the correctness of the market value of the property which is the subject matter of conveyance, exchange, gift, release of Binami right or settlement, and the duty payable thereon, and if after such examination, he has reason to believe that the market value of the property has not been truly set forth in the instrument, he may determine the market value of such property and the duty as aforesaid in accordance with the procedure provided for in subsection 2 within bracket. Para. The difference, if any, in the amount of duty, shall be payable by the persons liable to pay the duty, semicolon, provided that nothing in this subsection shall apply to any instrument registered before the date of commencement of the Indian stamp. Bracket open, Tamil Nadu Amendment, bracket close, Act, 1967. Stop. Para. Every person liable to pay the difference in the amount of duty under subsection 2 within bracket or subsection 3 within bracket shall, payable such duty within such period as may be prescribed. Stop. In default of such payment, such amount of duty outstanding on the date of default shall be a charge on the property affected in such instrument. Stop. And any amount remaining unpaid after the date specified for its payment, the person liable to pay the duty shall pay, in addition to the amount due, interest at 1% per month on such amount for the entire period of default. Stop and para. Any person aggrieved by an order of the collector under subsection 2 within bracket or subsection 3 within bracket comma may appeal to such authority as may be prescribed in his behalf. Stop. All such appeals shall be preferred within such time, comma, and shall be heard and disposed of in such manner as may be prescribed by rules made under this Act. Stop. Para. The Chief Controlling Revenue Authority may, comma, su motu, comma, call for and examine an order passed under subsection 2 within bracket or subsection 3 within bracket, and if such order is prejudicial to the interests of revenue, comma, he may make such inquiry or cause such inquiry to be made and, comma, subject to the provisions of this Act, comma, may initiate proceedings to revise, modify, or set aside such order and may pass such order thereon as he thinks fit. Stop. Para. The Chief Controlling Revenue Authority shall not initiate proceedings against any order passed under subsection 2 within bracket or subsection 3 within bracket if, comma, the time for appeal against that order has not expired, semicolon, or more than 5 years have expired after the passing of such order. Stop. Para. No order under subsection 6 within bracket adversely affecting a person shall be passed unless that person has had a reasonable opportunity of being heard. Stop. Para. In computing the period referred to in class B within bracket of subsection 7 within bracket, comma, the time during which the proceedings before the Chief Controlling Revenue Authority remain stayed under the order of court shall be excluded. Stop. Para. Any person aggrieved by an order of the authority prescribed under subsection 5 within bracket of the Chief Controlling Revenue Authority under subsection 6 within bracket may, comma, within such time and in such manner, comma, as may be prescribed by rules made under this Act, comma, appeal to the High Court. Stop.